Solve cognitive assessment number 7 lesson 4 and 5 unit 9 page 11 المعاصر book. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The missing number in the opposite double number line is space. We have number line beginning here from 0 and second number line beginning here 0, 0 here refers to the distance and this refers to the time. 2, opposite of it 7, 4, opposite of it space, and 6, opposite of 21. We know 2 times 2 equal 4 and 2 times 7 equal 14. Then you must choose letter B about question letter A. Right here 14. Okay, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 7 equal 14. The result here 14, choose letter B. Question B. We have the opposite type diagram, choose the ratio between oranges and apples. If the difference between them is 4, then the sum of the number of oranges and apples equal what? Okay. He gives us in this example the number of oranges to the number of apples. The ratio between them, we have how many oranges? Count with me. 1, 2, 3 oranges, and apples 2. Then the ratio between number of oranges and apples will be 3 and 2. And if he give us the difference between them, if the difference between them equal 4, then the sum of numbers of oranges and apples equal what? Okay, he give us the difference between them. D here refers to the difference, okay? The difference between them, how many? Here he give us the number. It will be what? 4. The difference between them is 4, right? 4 here. And we know 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then the number of oranges, we can write 3 times 4 divided by 1. Or 1 here, convert 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 divided by 1 equal 12. Then the number of oranges will be 12. And the number of apples, 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 divided by 1 equal 8. Then the number of oranges, it will be 12 oranges. We have 12 oranges, and number of apples, we have 8 apples, because he give us the difference between the ratio between them 1. He give us number of oranges, then ratio between number of oranges and number of apples, it will be 3 and 2. Okay, it's the ratio, and the difference between them 1. The difference between them 1, we can find number of oranges by using the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Okay, to find number of oranges, write 3 times 4 divided by 1. 3 times 4 equal 12, divided by 1 equal 12. And to find the number of apples, write 2 times 4 divided by 1. 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 divided by 1 equal 8. And then you want to find the sum of them. We can add the number of oranges, 12, plus the number of apples. The sum of them, it will be 20. 12 plus 8 equal 20. Choose letter D about question B. Okay, question letter C. C is we have the ratio between 2 and 7 is equivalent x to 14. You want to find the value of x. We can write the first ratio here. 2 over 7 is equivalent to what? Equivalent x over 14. We can find the value of x. We know 7 times 2 equal 14, then 2 times 2 equal 4, then the value of x will be 4. Okay. Next question letter D, comparing between the results here. Letter D, we have 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 8, or 2 over 3 of 6. We can write 1 over 4, convert from division to multiplication, raise the inverse about 1 over 8 will be 8 over 1. 4 divided by 4 equal 1, 8 divided by 4 equal 2, 1 times 2 equal 2, 1 times 1 equal 1, then the result here will be 2. And we have 2 over 3 of 6. 6 divided by 3 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4. Then you must write less than here. Question letter D, it choose letter E. Next question letter E, the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5, it will be 1 over 5. Reciprocal is meaning inverse. Okay, reciprocal about 5, it will be 1 over 5. Write the inverse about 5, it will be 1 over 5 because 5 equal 1 over equal 5 over 1. Then you can write the reciprocal about 5, change, replaced about numerator and denominator. Question letter F, comparing between two operations here. First one, 465 and 3 tenths divided by 25 hundredths, or 4,653 divided by 2.5. First step about this example, to solve this operation, you must cancel the point here from the divisor because the divisor here decimal. Then you must cancel the point here by product by 100, numerator and denominator, because the point here after two places. Then up here we can write 4, 6, 5, 3 and put 0. We moved the point here to right hand side by two places. Then the result will be 46,530, and this number here will be 25. And what about 4,653 divided by 2.5? It will be equivalent because this number we have here point in the divisor. Then you must product by 10. Product by 10 here to cancel the point. Then they are equivalent. Then product by 10 to denominator and numerator. Then we can write 4, 6, 5, 3 and 0 divided by 25. Then they are equivalent. Or you can solve in one step. You can solve the example how we have 465.3 divided by 0.25 and 4,653 divided by 2.5. Here we can product by 10 and here product by 10. Move the point here to be 4,653 divided by 2.5. It's exactly this number. Okay, you can solve by this method or this method as you like. Okay, then the result will be equivalent. Choose letter B. Complete here question number 2, letter A. The ratio 4 over 9 is equivalent to 12 over x minus 1, then x equal what? Which letter A, we have the ratio 4 over 9. It's equivalent to 12 over x minus 1. We want to find the value of x minus 1. We can use the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Or 4 times 3 equal 12. Then 3 times 9 equal 27. Then this number here, you must write 27. Then the value of x, it will be what? X minus 1 equal 27, then x will be 28. This is the value of x. Okay, it was question letter E, write 28. Question letter B, 100 to 150 in the simplest form. We have 100 to 150. We must divide it by 10. Any number can divide it by 10 because the units here was 0. Any number divided by 10 if we have 0 in the units. 100 divided by 10 equal 10. 150 divided by 10 will be 15. And then we can divide it by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal 2, and 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the ratio here it will be 2 to 3. Question letter C. 5 divided by third equals space times 3. We can write 5 and convert from division to multiplication. Write the inverse about 1 over 3, it will be 3. Then you can write 5 in the space. Write 5 here about letter C. Letter D, he give us tab diagram, the ratio between Mustafa and Ali. Mustafa get how many parts here colored, how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 3. The ratio would be 4 to 3. He won't find Mustafa to Ali, or Ali to Mustafa, Mustafa to Ali. Okay, Mustafa to Ali. Here Mustafa 3 and Ali has 4 parties. Then the ratio will be 3 over 4, or you can write 3 to 4 as you like. You can write from 3 image about this result. Next question. The number space has no reciprocal 0. 0 because any number divided by 0 and defined. Then question letter E. The number space has no reciprocal, it will be 0. Okay, write 0. Next question. Question number 3. If the ratio between the number of boys and number of girls in the class is 4 to 5, and the number of boys is 20 boys, find the total pupils in class by using Ktab diagram. Okay, we have the ratio between number of boys and number of girls, number of boys to number of girls. The ratio between them was 4 to 5. And the number of boys is 20 boys. Then the number of girls, how we know 4 times 5 equal 20, then 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the number of girls, it will be 25. Okay. Using Ktab diagram. Okay, I will solve this example by using Ktab diagram. He gives us the ratio between number of boys and girls. We can write number of boys. Okay, and the number of girls. We have 4. Count here, draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of girls is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they give us number of boys was 20. 20 divided by 4 equal 5. 5. Then you can put 5 here. Then the number of girls will be 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the number of girls will be 25 pupils. Okay, and it's the result. But he won't find what's the total. Okay, he won't find the total. Look at here, find the total. We have 25 girls, then the number of the total, you can write the total. Write the number of boys was 20, and here 25. Then we have 25 girls and 20 boys. Then the total will be, sum of them, 20, the number of boys and the number of girls. And then you can eat them. The result will be 45 pupils. Okay, because he won't find the result by using Ktab diagram. Ktab diagram, it's meaning 4 parts here to the boys, 5 parts to the girls, and we have the number of girls 25. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. 20 divided by 4 equal 5, and then you can find the number of girls 25. Some of them it will be 45. Question letter P. Noha bought 7 boxes for 14 and 4 Egyptian lira. Which, what is the price? This 7 boxes, we can find the product between them. Right, the number of boxes product by the price of each box, 14 and 2500. 5 times 7 equals 35. Right, 5 and carry out 3. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 3 equals 17. 7 and carry up 1. 4 times 7 equals 28 plus 1 equals 29. Right, 9 and carry up 2. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. The result will be 99 and 75 Egyptian lira. Understood? It was cognitive number 7. Goodbye.